Hello, my name is Zachary Gardner. Here in this video, I will show and explain the many tools I have used in AutoCAD for my Hort 120 class. These tools were used to create two-dimensional designs. Model space is where you do all of your drawings. Here in model space, you will draw to a 1:1 scale, which means it will be real-world dimensions. There are a ton of different tools you can use to create shapes or objects, such as lines, polylines, circles, and arcs. There are other tools like copy, rotate, and trim, which are used to efficiently create designs in different shapes. Paper space is a window where you put your completed drawings. Here, they will fit on a printable piece of paper and will be scaled differently. For an example, the scale may represent 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot, meaning 1/4 of an inch on this printed paper will equal 1 foot in real life. This is where your design is finished and will be ready to be printed. Drawing to scale in model space means you'll be drawing 1:1, which is the real-world measurement. It will then be resized and rescaled to fit on a piece of paper in paper space. Paper space design are often used on job sites. Here, the design will be scaled down to an easier representation. For an example, it can be anywhere from 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot to 3/32 of an inch. Layers are used to organize and to allow the viewer to know where things are divided up. Colors and line types are used to show property lines or other objects. They also help show where one thing starts and another one finishes. Layers can be turned on and off to allow all stages of the design to be represented. A template is usually a picture of a two-dimensional property or a two-dimensional object. Templates are used so when placed in AutoCAD, you can draw over the shapes and existing objects to put them on correct layers. This allows for easier organization. Here's an example from one of my projects. Blocks are pre-created objects that can be uploaded to AutoCAD. Blocks may come in a large chart with multiple objects. You will just copy the ones you need and upload it to model space. This allows us to quickly get a specific object if needed. In this Horticulture 120 class, I have used and practiced with many different tools. In model space, I have used line tools, rectangle tools, circles, copy, and cut tools to create a design. I then used paper space to print a copy of a scaled design. Learning that model space is a 1:1 scale and paper space is a scaled down representation of a design was very important. Knowing how to create layers to show different objects was often stressed. I have used templates to draw in all details and organize them quickly and efficiently. Finally, I have used blocks, a pre-made object to insert in a drawing when needed.